Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to get all answers to your how to questions. Today we are going to see that how to use the Canva for designing the simple designs, for example the posts for the social media or YouTube, etc. For example, I will be showing the how to create this type of content. See, this type of content consists of background color, text, bullet points and logo, and this branding of the person who is creating the design. Okay, so let's get started. So let's see how to create this type of design in using the Canva. Okay, for first step is just open the Canva by typing Canva, www.canva.com. okay, on the Google Chrome. I will be showing. Open the Google Chrome and type www.canva.com. okay, then second step, is sign up or login. okay, I will be using the login because I have already have an account on Canva. If you are new, then you have to click sign up, and here you have to build the email or Google account. If you are not able to create the Google account or Gmail, then watch our first video for this. You will be selecting your Gmail account from this and get sign up over the Canva. But I have already account, so I will be clicking on login, and I will be clicking this login with Google and selecting my email or Google account from this. That is this one I will be selecting, and this will be taken to me to the my account, that is this one. Here you then third step is after login then click create design. okay, for the size for the design I will be recommended is 080 into 80, width into height. okay, that is I will be clicking here create design, and here you will be finding custom design. See on click on this, and width I will be selecting 808 and 808 80. okay, I will be selecting this type of size because this is valid over the whole social media platforms, whether it is Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. So I will be choosing this. I also recommend you to choose this size. okay, then click on create new design, just simply. Then this type of thing will be appeared. This is called canvas. okay, for example this is the canvas we have created, but now we have to give the color to this. For that you have to just simply click. okay, click, then this will be appear. okay, background color, click on background color and click on this plus sign, or default colors you can choose from this. If you are choosing the custom and want custom color, then just click on this, and here you can select the color. I will be selecting yellow, this one, right. So see, I have created the canvas and give the background color. For then you are seeing this get to know what we call it. So this is a text. okay, for text we are going to see there is a left hand side corner we will find text. okay, click on this text, simply click on add a heading. okay, here you can give an heading to this. okay, I will be giving this get to know what the other names of this is. okay, or you can resize this from this. See this one. Firstly you have to so just type here, and then you have to click, and from here you can drag and drop to select this size or set the size, or either you can go for this. Okay, I will be going for 44. Okay, this will be better, I guess. No, it's so too small. I will be increasing the font size. Okay, this, yeah. See, we have set to this. Okay, what we call it. Okay, what's I will be keeping the text same. Okay, and what's we called it. Okay, then just see, just click and just drag and drop here to select the alignment. Okay, from this also you can set the alignment like left, center, or right. Okay, I will be selecting this center. Okay, then next is these bullet points. Okay, for that you have to click, firstly add a heading from this text and click this, and here you will find this list. Okay, just click here. Okay, then just click and pick this up. Okay, you can drag and drop using these keys also, like up and down keys and left and right. Okay, I will be selecting this and decreasing some size. Okay, I will be keeping this to 57. Yeah, now I have to change the color of this. Firstly I will be just click and control C and control V. Okay, and just click and drag, then again C, control C plus control V, click and drag. Okay, and then control C and control V, again drag. I have to use 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 I have created. 4, one more, click C, control C plus control V. Okay, then this. Now I have to select the spacing. Okay, just click and some move the downward someone, and then select all. For that you have to click outside the canvas and then click here outside the canvas and just drag your this mouse and just click and leave it. Okay, then whole text will be get selected, and just click and drag and drop to set where you want to set. Okay, I will be selecting this and somewhat I will be, that's it. Now I have to add the text. You can add anything. Okay, I will be fastly I will be this typing for you. Okay, okay, now I will be selecting all and just selecting this towards this one. Okay, then what's the next? We have to add this logo. Okay, for that we are using this upload options. Okay, click on upload, and by default it is selected the images, so upload media, and you can select the images from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, anything. Okay, then I will be selecting from device, desktop, my this is logo. I will be selecting, I will clicking double click on that image. Okay, I will be repeating for you, like firstly upload media, device, then select the where the file is, desktop, then select this and open. Okay, here I have my logo is uploaded. Then I will be same click, and from here you can resize or decrease or increase the size. Okay, I will be selecting here. Okay, then what's the next? We have to add this. Okay, for that you have to add click the text, add a subheading, and here you will be typing your branding name. Okay, I will be typing my, that is www.webofluence.com. okay, that's it. I will be clicking this and giving some bold effect to it. Okay, just click and click this bold effect. Okay, I will be dragging this to here, and this somewhat up. Okay, now see, we have created almost same design like this. Okay, but the color of this is changed. For that you have to just click here and go to this text color. Okay, if you want to change the color of canvas, then you have to click canvas and then go to here. If you have to change the text color, then you have to click the text you want to change the color and then this text color. Okay, then I will be selecting red for it, red. Okay, see, I have created red text. Same I will be doing with this. You can go for selecting all these three together and the all these three together and just click this and this red. Yeah, magic. Now click on this for red and this. That's it. See, we have created almost just like this text. Okay, this is somewhat bold, means font size is very somewhat big, so I will be doing this. You can set according to your post or content. Okay, so we have created one canvas. Firstly, we have created the canvas by clicking the create design and custom design. We are going for 1080 into 1080. Then we have given the background color. Okay, by clicking on canvas. Okay, then fourth step, sorry, this is fourth one, and first then add a heading from text option, that is at left side of our hands, left hand side, sorry. Then sixth, you have then add a heading and click the list option for bullets. Okay, for the points. Okay, then for the points, or we can say for the list. Okay, or list. Okay, then just upload the logo from upload option. See, we have created the almost same text by which I am shown to you, that is this one, like yellow color background, text, logo, and this. Let me repeat these steps for you. For example, the like create a design by custom size. Okay, size I have mentioned above, and then heading for text, from where text, yeah, text option at left hand side. Okay, then for bullets, for list type content add a heading and click list option at above. Okay, above header. Okay, then we have uploaded the logo by using upload option, then what is the option, then upload media. Okay, then upload media image. Okay, then so in this way we are able to create this type of design using the canvas. Hope guys you have learned how to create this type of content for the social media or for the assignments. Okay, for hope you will be sharing this design, creating one design and sharing the link to see me in the comment box. That is from here, share and click copy the link and place into the comment box so that we can see how creative you are. So thank you for listening me, and please जल्दी like share and comment करना ना भूलियो, and please how to question post कर दे दियो so that we can create the content for you on that how to questions. Thank you, have a nice day.